Hello everyone, I'm Jason here to introduce our whiteboard software under the Windows. And we can choose the pen, you can choose different color, also the size. And we can move this one. And our PhET is building many different projects like math, chemical, earth science, and biologies. And we also building this one to help you teacher to teach the students. And we also can add the annotation model under the Windows. Like in here, we can open our whiteboard, and also this one is add the annotation model. We can write. Under the Windows, like this. Hello everyone, I'm Jason here to introduce our different applications. The first one I want to show for you is your picture. And this one you can quickly open the photo. Yeah, I quickly choose the logos. And you can see this is our pictures. And the next one is you play. And this one you can quickly open the video. And the next one is a special one, is you picture shows. And in here you can add different photos. And this is our advertising model. And I add 4 different pictures on here, and you can choose a different play time, also play times. And click here. This one will show one by one. And besides this, we also can add a video. And in here, we can add some photos. And this is our advertising models. And thanks for everyone to enjoy our videos.